Welcome back, y'all. I'm so glad you could join me today because today is all about supper club, supper club, supper club. I'm going to a supper club party tonight and I want to take a few dishes. This is a wonderful opportunity to get together with friends and share recipes. And I don't think I have ever made this recipe that everybody didn't have a fit over it. I'm starting with a yellow cake mix. I'm going to add 4 eggs. I'm going to add a 3.5 ounce box of lemon pudding. And then I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of oil. And I'm going to beat this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And you can see our batter is going to be a little on the thick side. All right, now that I've gotten all the dry ingredients moist, I'm going to turn it up to a nice medium speed and just let that cream together just for a couple of minutes. These box cake mixes can be a beautiful thing because they're so quick and easy to throw together if you need a quick last-minute dessert. Now I'm going to take a mini muffin pan and I'm just going to spray it because I'm going to want these to pop out real nice and easy without them messing up. I'm going to fill these muffin pans about half full of batter. And then I'm going to put them into a 350-degree preheated oven, and I'm going to bake them for about 12 minutes. So we're going to put these in the oven, and I've got a pan ready in the other oven. So we'll cook those, like I said, for about 12 minutes. In the meantime, we've got a pan ready. And I'm going to just pop these out onto a wire rack. And I'm going to mix up our glaze for them. And I'm going to start with a 1-pound box of confectionate sugar, and I'm going to sift it because you'll want to make sure that this doesn't have any lumps when you run your little cakes through. You don't want them lumping up on you. So I'm just going to quickly sift this. And to this powdered sugar, I'm going to add the zest of 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1/3 to 1/2 a cup of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Okay, there we go. The oil, the water, the lemon zest, and the lemon juice. If it appears too thick, just add a little bit more water to it. If you've got it too thin, then just add a little bit more powdered sugar to it. And you see how quickly that glaze just comes together. So I'm just going to take our muffins, flip it upside down, stick a fork in it, and dunk it completely in that glaze. You're going to want to make sure that you pierce the bottom of your cake, not your top, so that you won't see those fork prints. You know, I have to admit, y'all, that this might not be the prettiest dessert that you can serve or take to a supper club, but it's one of the most appreciated desserts and certainly delicious. If you really like a lot of glaze, you can let them sit for a few minutes and then go back and reglaze them. All right, I just want to tray these up for you, and I've got another tray back here that has glazed over and hardened. And then I've got the fresh ones. Look at these. You know, this is a very, very, very simple little cake, but yet so delicious, so easy to make. Oops! Look at that. I dropped it back down in that glaze.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.